So we're looking at WASSCE May, June 2022 essay questions. First question 1A, it says, given that 7 minus 2x, 9, 5x plus 17 are consecutive terms of a geometric progression GP with common ratio R greater than 0, find the values of x. So first of all, we need to know our starting point. The first thing we do is to recognize that the key to solving this question is exploiting the common ratio of this geometric progression. So how do we get the common ratio? We divide the term in front by the one immediately preceding it. So we have 9 over 7 minus 2x equals to 5x plus 17 over 9. So let's proceed.
First of all, we know that for a geometric progression, the common ratio is gotten by dividing the term in front by the one immediately preceding it. So we have 9 over 7 minus 2x. Okay, so we have that. So let's call this probably equation 1. Then also we know that the common ratio also can be expressed as 5x plus 17 divided by 9. Let's call this equation 2. Now, arrow is the same. Okay, so the next thing to do is to equate equations 1 and 2. So we say equate 1 and 2. So what do we do? That implies 9 over 7 minus 2x equals to 5x plus 17 over 9. So we cross multiply and we get 5x plus 17 multiplies 7 minus 2x. Okay, everything is equals to 9 times 9. So let's expand this. 5x times 7x gives us 35x. 5x times minus 2x gives us minus 10x squared. Okay, then we'll have 17 times 7, which gives us 119. Then lastly, 17 times minus 2x gives us minus 34x. So this is equals to 81. So we collect like terms. So this becomes minus 10x squared. Okay, 35x minus 34x gives us plus x. Okay, then we have here 119 minus 81 equals to 0. So let's get our final quadratic equation. Okay, so we say this is minus 10x squared plus x plus 38 equals to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation. Let's see, we should be able to factorize it. Now, the rule for factorizing a quadratic equation, we know we're going to look for factors. We have minus 10x squared plus x plus 38 equals to 0. So when we multiply the first term and the last term, we get minus 380x squared. Now we look for two factors such that when we multiply the two factors, we get minus 380 s squared. When we divide the two factors, and when we add the two factors, we have x. That's the procedure for solving a quadratic equation. So those factors will be 20 minus 20x and then 19x. Good. So these are the factors. So it means that we can rewrite that equation to be minus 10x squared. Okay. Okay, this is positive. So since it's positive, we have to do it the other way around. Here should be positive and here should be negative. So I'm going to have plus 20x minus 19x, okay, plus 38 equals to 0. So we can factorize now. These two are together, these two together. The highest common factor of minus 10x squared plus 20x is minus 10x. So minus 10x squared divided by minus 10x gives us x. Okay. And 20x divided by minus 10x gives us minus 2. Now, from the rules of quadratic equation, this bracket must also be x minus 2. For that to be achievable, we have to use the factor minus 19 here. Okay. So minus 19x divided by minus 19 gives us x. 38 divided by minus 19 gives us minus 2. So effectively, we have these as minus 10x minus 19 x minus 2 equals to 0. Good. So minus 10x minus 19 is equals to 0, or x minus 2 is equals to 0. Minus 10x equals to 19, or x is equals to 2. So finally, we simplify this to become x is equals to minus 19 over 10, or x is equals to 2. These are the solutions to the quadratic equation. Okay, so these are the solutions to the quadratic. So we found what x is. Let's get back to the question. The question asks us to find the values of x. Okay. And we also told that with the common ratio r greater than 0, find the values of x. We've actually found the values of x. Okay. X is, in fact, equals to 2. Now, it means that we can go further. We've answered the question effectively. Well, let's see. So x for x is equals to 2. The common ratio, let's 7 minus 2x will give us 7 minus 2, 2. Okay, and that will be 7 minus 4, effectively giving us 3. Okay, so everything here reduces to 3. Then it means that the common ratio r is 9 divided by 3, which is also 3. Okay, but we've already met the conditions of this question. So this is how we solve this. From our knowledge of what a common ratio is for a geometric progression, we equated these two equations. It led us to a quadratic equations, and we factorize the quadratic equations as needed. So this is the solution to WASSCE May June 2022 number 1A.